In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we grew 900,000 followers in just 7 months and how we made over $130,000 in less than 4 months with just a laptop, Wi-Fi and one single product. With no clients, no employees, no shipping and no headaches really. And I truly believe that anyone can do this because we started from nothing, zero. Just 2 years ago, Alex and I started a low-paying job in London, barely affording rent. We had no savings, $40,000 in debt coming out of university, and just really feeling tired, stressed, and stuck in life. But we had one thing, a very strong belief and desire to create an online business that would allow us to travel, experience the good life, and pay for our families. And what I'm about to share with you has been life-changing for us. Around 2021, Alex and I were trying a few business models that others were preaching about: dropshipping, agency, and e-commerce. And we were making some money, but nowhere near enough to have the same lifestyle as the guys that were teaching those business models. And we couldn't really figure out why, until we slowly realized that we were trying to get their results by doing the opposite of what they were doing. And I'm sure most of these guys have made money through the business that they teach, but it's not that business that made them rich. Their wealth and life changed completely the moment they started selling digital info products online. But here's the thing, they're not scamming anyone. They're actually helping others make their first money online. But most of their money, if not all, is made by teaching others something valuable that they learned. And I guess if you're watching this video, you probably don't know how to teach any of these business models. And that's completely fine. We didn't know either when we started out, but we still managed to make over $130,000 in less than 4 months selling digital products. And these were not courses. They were digital assets that we created around something that we were passionate about, which was mindset and biohacking. It was one single, very simple digital products that made us more than double of our salary in central London, combined in less than 4 months. And I promise you, if you watch this video until the end, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same today. Now, I have to be honest, anyone can do this, but some people don't make much money selling digital products online, whilst others go on to make 10, 30, 50, 100k a month and beyond. And the only difference between the two is the system and strategy they have in place. Once you understand the framework that I'm about to share with you, it doesn't come down to luck anymore, but on your ability to execute on this plan step by step. Because that's exactly what we did. This is the Instagram page that we started in 2022. As you can see, we grew them to 80,000 and 830,000 followers in less than 7 months. And then we created a simple digital product to test organically, and this alone was making us a few hundreds a day. But we didn't want to stop there. We wanted to scale this very fast and consistently, so we started running ads on this product. And things went crazy. This is a screen recording that we took at the beginning of all of the Shopify notifications we were receiving. Sales every hour on autopilot without even having to promote that much on social media anymore. And all of this wasn't luck. We just found a winning system to both grow social media pages and sell digital products organically and through ads. And in fact, we ended up working with Luke Belma and we got him over 50 million views online in just a few months. And we've also helped some other friends replicate the same exact system and make money online selling digital products. And honestly, this is the easiest and most profitable online business in 2024. You can do it organically if you don't have money, you can do it through ads if you don't have time, or you can do both, whichever and whenever you prefer. But as I said earlier, you need the right strategy and system to make this work. So here it is, step by step. So step 1, start by identifying a skill, a hobby, passion, or knowledge that you have. Every single one of you watching this video has one. You really don't have to be an expert. You just need to be a bit better or a bit more knowledgeable than a complete beginner. Step number 2, go on Instagram and TikTok, research the kind of videos that are doing really well, and model and innovate into your own niche. So understand what the algorithm is favoring, but most importantly, why. And then also identify what kind of content inspires you. Step number 3, create a strategic plan to consistently post content that has a high chance of going viral. Study all the pages that are going viral consistently, study every element of their videos, and find those winning trends and patterns. Step number 4, identify the problems that your audience has and create digital products that can solve that. And a digital product doesn't have to be just an ebook, it can be in many forms nowadays. But if you're a beginner, we suggest starting with a low ticket product, something that doesn't cost too much, but that is still valuable. Step number 5, create an optimized website and then add your products with unique and professional mockups. Make sure that the title, the description, and all of the copy on your page persuades people emotionally and also logically. And again, if you don't know what a high converting store looks like, just study and analyze the winning stores of other people. Landing pages have been tried and tested, so the framework to make a high converting landing page is really the same once you learn it. Number 6, collect emails from your audience. This is very important because it's where you're going to make most of your sales organically. You know, growing an audience is just the first step. Then you have to convince those people to buy what you have. And emails is the best place to do that. In your emails, you want to give value, you want to promote your product strategically, and then you also want to set it up for the people that might have abandoned your cart. And step number 7, start running Facebook ads using the feedback from your audience. Make ads that speak exactly to the type of audience that follow you and that have that burning desire and problem that your product fulfills. You can identify this by looking at your most viral content, by asking feedback to your audience, or by spying on other competitors. And once you have this running, you can also tap into Google Ads because there are very few people actually using it to sell digital products. So you can really take advantage of this. This is the full strategy on how to make 10, 30, 50, 100K a month and beyond. It is truly that simple. But I know that you might have hundreds of questions right now, and that's normal, but don't worry, as I said, I want to help you. After launching our first product back in February 2023 and reaching over $35,000 a month 3 months later, we had a few people seeing the results we were posting and they asked us to help them do the same. And so we applied our strategies and system for them, exactly what we did for Lifer, for our products, for our landing pages, and for our ads. And they started getting results as well. And the feeling that we get every time we manage to help others, it's honestly one of the best things ever. So we wanted to keep helping more people. But the problem is that we only had a limited amount of time to really do this work for others. So we decided to turn this into a full program. A program that can teach anyone how to turn their skill, knowledge, or passion into a life-changing online business. Inside, we reveal every single strategy, tool, and system that we use to sell digital products online. And we break this down step by step. From rewiring your brain for success as a beginner to teaching you all the secrets about growing a theme page or personal brand. We uncover all of the tactics to attract the right audience and make them ready to buy from you. We then teach you how to build your product, make it look appealing using premium mockups, and how to make an irresistible digital offer. We also reveal our winning store and give you all the templates so that you can build your website that's not only stunning and modern, but that also has all of the elements that convert people. We then teach you how to sell your products through stories, through email marketing, and through Facebook ads. These are the 3 main things that we use to sell digital products, and we know them really well, so we break them down in detail. And we also have a very detailed 10-hour bonus course on how to use Google Ads to sell digital products. These are the same strategies that we use to run Google Ads for multi-billion-dollar brands in our jobs. But look, in reality, in business, knowledge and tools are only 2 of the 3 components of success. The last piece of the puzzle is people. The world is moving way too fast and your time is becoming more limited. And the only way to win the game is to be surrounded by other people playing the same game as you. And so as part of the program, you also get access to our private community where we host weekly Q&A calls, where you can ask us questions directly or where you can get help from other people in different stages of this business. This is all you need to start growing an audience on social media, create digital products, and build a very profitable business that truly allows you to work wherever you want and whenever you want. But in all honesty, as time goes, it's going to be harder to make this happen. Right now, it has never been easier to grow on social media using short form if you know how to. But algorithms may change like it did back in 2015 when nobody was getting reach anymore. And the same with ads. The more people start selling similar digital products, the harder it is to get into it profitably as a beginner. The same way that agency and dropshipping have become saturated and are now hard business models for beginners. So, if you really want to create an online business selling digital products that brings you financial, location, and time freedom, then now is the right time. Join the program together with the bonuses, the community, and exclusive prices that you unlock as a reward from us as you grow your audience and make money online. You only pay once and you have access forever. But the more people join, the more we'll increase the price because we want to focus on quality over quantity. And with that said, let us teach you everything that we learned in this business so that you can have the best chances at making this work. Click the button below and join the program today. I'll see you inside.